Nearby, Sarlat is the pedestrian-friendly main town of the river valley. It's just the right size, large enough to have a cinema with 4 screens, but small enough so that everything is an easy meander from the town center. It's the handiest home base for exploring the Dordogne. There are no blockbuster sights here. Still, it's an inviting tangle of traffic-free cobblestoned lanes and handsome buildings lined with foie gras shops. Keith just hates Sarlat. And, in the summer, stuffed with tourists. Sarlat's elaborate stonework recalls its glory century from about 1450 to 1550, after the 100 Years' War. Loyal to the French cause through thick and thin in a century of war, Sarlat was rewarded by the king with lots of money to rebuild in stone. Sarlat's new nobility built noble homes to match. The town's most impressive buildings date from this prosperous era, when the Renaissance style was in vogue. It's market day and the city's jammed as it has been for centuries of Saturdays. Everything's fresh and local, so seasonal that shoppers can tell the month by what's on sale.
This has been going on for 1,000 years almost, since the Middle Ages.
What's this region known for in cuisine?
Well, the Dordogne is famous for 3 things: walnuts, cakes and nuts, and
So all
olives.
this is walnuts ingredient.
That's the walnut table. Truffles, which are a mushroom that you'll find only fresh in the winter, so you won't see it in the market today. And the biggie, what people come to this area for, foie gras, which is the luxurious liver of force-fed geese and ducks. In fact, people come to this area more, I think, for that than they do the famous caves or the castles or the river. That's kind of the raison d'etre of the area from a culinary perspective.
I mean, try something. Oui, goose liver, okay.
Which one is best?
The best is the one piece, duck liver or goose liver.
So it's pure, it's
Yes,
just
yes.
that.
Wow, that's good.
Let's taste the difference. This should be stronger, right?
Well, duck is different. Duck is a strong, the goose is a sweet.
Yeah, that's a good description. It's one strong, one sweet. You notice the difference?